Hi, my name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. Let's go over top 15 ALJ trick questions, and we're past 15. We're now into 18. Homeless. Your Honor, I am homeless. If a bunch of questions come up about what you're watching on TV, I normally just sit around and watch TV. How do you get power to the TV? Oh, sometimes I couch surf. Sometimes I go to this place. I go to that place. Sure. Puts you on a bad first step. Oh, Your Honor, I have to cook my food. Food stamps, I have to, cook it. How do you cook it? Well, I use a skillet. What kind of skillet? An electric one. As a homeless person? I use an oven. As a homeless person? I use a propane grill. Well, maybe. As a homeless person. But then how do you drag the propane into the woods with you? Pretty heavy. Unless you're using one of those little ones. And then the question becomes, which was going into a bit of the next video, what do you have to do to get into the woods? This question is all about, if you're homeless, what creature comforts? Okay. Are you unable to normally acquire? And then if you start bringing them up and talking about them during the hearing, guess what? It's going to make you seem like you're not homeless. And there are varying degrees of homeless. There's homeless that we all think of, which is, brittle nails, scraggly hair, they live outside all the time. Then, for example, there is homeless where you're couch searching for an extended period. Still have a shower. Still have a means of getting some electrical amenities to be used for your daily activities. So that's just something to consider when it comes to, for example, being homeless. Oh, so you like watching, Family Feud. When was the last time you watched a good show? Oh, yesterday. Oh, okay. Before that, the day before, I saw the rerun. Yeah. Oh, okay, gotcha. Remember, if you're homeless, the expectation is that you're not watching a lot of videos. Now, look, things are changing. People have cool pads. The cool pads sometimes have unlimited internet on them, so long as you can charge your phone. Yada, yada, yada. Explain how you use McDonald's or 7-Eleven to charge your phone. You heat things up in the microwave there. Be smart about it. Just be smart about how you're answering these questions. Okay. My name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. Give me a call, shoot me an email, or shoot me a text if you have any questions, want the most up-to-date information. All right. Have an absolutely wonderful day, and thank you so much. Bye-bye.